Hello. This video shows how to document software architectures using the Drawio in-browser diagram editor and the C4 model. First of all, we need to start the editor and create a new diagram from a template. The template sets mapping properties for the diagram root. Now we need to add the C4 library. The library contains shapes for the C4 model elements: system, person, container, component, code, and relationship. It also has a context container shape for linking elements on different diagram pages. So let's create our first diagram. We will begin by adding a person. Person configuration has type and documentation properties. Let's change the element ID to something meaningful. Now we will add a system. System documentation has a markdown fenced block, which renders the system context diagram. Now let's connect the person in the system with a relationship and take a look at the relationship configuration. The feature map property defines how the model elements shall be wired together. The system consists of containers, so let's add a diagram page depicting the system structure and link it to the system diagram element. Now we need to modify the person configuration on this diagram to reference the person defined on the system context diagram. This is it. We have our first C4 diagram. Now we will save it and then generate a documentation site using Nasdanika CLI. This page explains how to install Nasdanika CLI. For this demo, we have it pre-installed. We will use this command. It has many options, we will use just a few. The -H option outputs command help, the same as on the website.
This is our documentation site. Let's explore it. On the top we have our root action text. Below is the name of our model. On the left there is a navigation panel. This is the content panel. The diagram is interactive. We can navigate to documentation pages of the diagram elements by clicking on them. The Help icon tooltip provides a short description of the model element class. Clicking on the Help icon navigates to the documentation page of the model element class. The breadcrumb bar shows the current element containment path and allows to navigate to the parent elements. This is the container diagram. There is no diagram for the container element. This is why we are getting this error message. And this is it. Thank you for your attention.